A very fresh morning to all my dear students. Welcome to mathematics class. Students, today we are going to begin new chapter, that is chapter number 3. How many squares? Students, in this chapter you will able to find the perimeter of shape, estimate and compare the area of the shapes, and find the area of shapes by counting squares. So, let's study it. Question number 1. Measure the side of the red squares on the dotted sheet. Draw here as many rectangles as possible using 12 such squares. Students, in this question, we have to draw as many rectangles we can using 12 squares. And then we have to answer the given questions. So, let us draw the rectangle as many as possible. Students, now let us answer the given question on the basis of rectangle we have drawn. Now answer the following question. Let us answer the given question on the basis of the rectangle which we have drawn. Question number 1. What is the side of the red squares on the dotted sheet? The side of the red square on the dotted sheet is 1 centimeters. Now, question number 2. How many rectangles could you make? I can make 7 rectangles. Now, question number 3. Which of these rectangles has the longest perimeter? Rectangle 1 and 2 has the longest perimeter. As we know that perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 into length plus breadth, which is equal to 2 into 1 plus 12, which is equal to 2 into 13, which is equal to 26. Thus, perimeter of rectangle 1 and 2 is 26 centimeters, which has the longest perimeter than the other rectangles which we have drawn. Now, question number 4. Which of these rectangles has the smallest perimeter? Rectangle 3, 4, 5 and 6 has the smallest perimeter. Now, question number 2. Look at these interesting stamps and answer the following questions. Students, in this question, we have to answer the given question. Students, in order to answer the given question, you have to observe the given stamp. So, let us observe all the given stamps and answer the given questions. Sum A. How many squares of 1 centimeter side does stamp A cover? stamp be covered? By observing the stamps, it is clear that stamp A covers 18 squares and stamp B covers 8 squares. Now, sum B. Which stamp has the biggest area? Stamp A has the biggest area because it has 18 squares. How many squares of side 1 centimeter does the stamp cover? Stamp A covers 18 squares of side 1 centimeter. How much is the area of the biggest stamp? The area of the biggest stamp, that is stamp A, is 18 square centimeters as it covers 18 squares. Now, question C. Which two stamps have the same area? Stamp D and stamp F have the same area. How much is the area of each of these stamps? The area of stamp D and F is 12 square centimeters. Now, question D. The area of the smallest stamp is dash square centimeters. By observing the image, it is clear that the area of the smallest stamp is 4 square centimeters. Now, sum E. The difference between the area of the smallest and the biggest stamp is dash square centimeters. Students, we know that when the word difference is given, we have to always subtract. So, let us subtract the area of smallest stamp, which is 4 square centimeter, from the area of biggest stamp, which is 18 square centimeters. Thus, subtracting 4 from 18, we get 14. Thus, the difference between the area of the smallest and the biggest stamp is 14 square centimeters. Now, question number 3. Guess and answer the following questions. Question number 1. Which has the biggest area? One of your footprints or the page of this book? The area of the page of this book is bigger than the area of one of my footprints. Now, question number 2. Which has the smaller area? 2 5 rupee notes together or 100 rupee note? The area of 100 rupee note is smaller or less than the area of 2 5 rupee notes together. Now, question number 3. Look at 10 rupee note. Is its area more than 100 square centimeters? No, the area of 10 rupee note is not more than 100 square centimeters. Or we can say that the area of 10 rupee note is less than the area of 100 square centimeters. Now, question number 4. Is the area of the blue shape more than the area of the yellow shape? Why? By observing the figures, it is clear to us that the areas of the yellow and blue shapes are equal because both are made up of two equal triangles. Now, question number 5. Is the perimeter of the yellow shape more than the perimeter of the blue shape? Why? No, the perimeter of the yellow shape is less than the perimeter of the blue shape. With the help of ruler, we can able to find that the length of the boundary of blue shape is more than the length of the boundary of yellow shape.